Imagine a world where rain doesn't fall as water, but as razor-sharp shards of glass. This isn't science fiction. This is HD 189733b, a real planet, just 64 light-years from Earth. Here the heat is brutal, over 900 degrees Celsius. And the winds? They scream through the atmosphere at 7,000 kilometers per hour. And the rain? It's glass. Molten silicates condense in the sky, then fall as shattered blades, ripping sideways through the air like flying bullets. But HD 189733b, it's just as big as Jupiter, but darker, deadlier, and deep blue like an ocean of fire. It may look stunning from space, but below those clouds is a storm from hell, beautiful, terrifying, and absolutely unsurvivable.